old Vandals, current Vandals. The guys have done so well for the first time in the history of the Romantic Vandal City. The soccer team has won gold for the prestigious Romantic Vandal City Commonwealth Hall. Today they were honored by the Sports Directorate for the immense contribution of sports in the fraternity. Soccer, for now, is Vandals. Vandals is soccer. Then let me also be quick to say that the cross-country team and the tennis won gold for Commonwealth Hall. And as such, let me take this opportunity to acknowledge the coach, the sports secretary. Coach, where are you? And also the coach in the history of the Romantic Vandal City, the 21st century, won gold for us. For the past years, we've been winning second place, coming silver, fourth and all that, and he made us proud. V-Mate, and also to the sports secretary, he has done so well for us, and indeed, he has done well for winning 3 gold for us, and we know that the succeeding event is going to do more. V-Mate, then to the whole management for supporting the Romantic Vandals and the Old Vandals Association, all Old Vandals who were part of this great milestone. We say a big thank you to you, and also to the Sports Directorate. We also want to say thank you to you. We know that Vandals will always be Vandals, but we plead and we acknowledge that together we can build a sport that we are always going to be proud of. And we know that sports in Eugene is sports in the whole wide world. When we do it well, we're going to acknowledge that Sports Directorate, you are part of this great milestone. Yes, Director of Sports, we want to say a very big thank you for opening your arms, for being a leader who listens and also acting accordingly. You've done so well to help the Vandal fraternity as part of the rebranding and reshaping the Vandal Renaissance. You were there to take the Vandals through the benefits of sports and all that, and we want to acknowledge you that our doors are always open. We are going to continue to knock. We are going to come to you, and we know that you are going to be ready to open your arms wide for us. We say a very big thank you to you, Dr. Bello Bitugu. As always, you are a great leader. Thank you so much, and continue doing your great work. All the coaches there too, we acknowledge you. You best for us, and we know that when the good things are being done, Vandals will talk about it. If it's not going well, constructively, Vandals will also talk about it, so that the betterment of sports will be for the whole world University of Ghana. The Old Vandal fraternity also, we say thank you. It's been a pleasure supporting the young Vandals. And also to the young Vandals, we encourage you. Sports is for all of us. Sports is for unity. Sports is so. Anytime you go down there, ensure that everything is done well. Let us go in our harmony and as well. Let's make good friends and connections. V-Mate, Ose wo ye Vanda, Ose wo ye Vanda, Vanda na abeya. Ose wo ye Vanda, Vanda na. Ao Vanda se so papa. 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 Ubika se oye Vanda na osofo. Oyo tofu ubika se oye Vanda na osofo. Oyo tofu power belongs to God. Forever, whenever, forever. Oh, power belongs to God. Forever. Boya soccer, boya cross country, boya volleyball, boya tennis, boya Eugene Sports, boya Sports Directorate. Hey, me say winning. say sports, me say Vandals, me say sports directorate, me so yaga, me so yaga. Hey, our Vandals, no tension, we are winning by the grace of God. Shabu shabu, hey, our Vandals, no tension, we are winning by the grace of God. Shabu shabu, hey, our Vandals, so papa, 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 Omega se oye banana osoku, otanimia, Omega se oye banana otanimia, oyoto, power, forever, whenever, power belongs to Ghana, forever. Me say yele, Vanda yele o, yele, Vanda yele o, when I say Vanda, so be happy to my heart. Yele, Vanda yele o, yele, Vanda yele o. When I say Vanda, so be happy to my heart. Hey, I don't know the others. I don't know Kennedy. I don't know UCC. I don't know UPS. But I know UG. But I know Vandals. Hey, mama. Thank you. That is the romantic Vandal City. The guys did so much well. Old Vandals are proud of you. We say a very big thank you to the Sports Directorate, also for engaging the students. We want to ensure that at the end of the day, it's a win-win for all University of Ghana students and also the alumni body as well. Let me take this opportunity to remind you that come on the 13th, there's going to be an alumni lecture held by the University of Ghana alumni, and we want to entreat all old Vandals to also take part of this wonderful event. Also, his ladyship, Sophia Ekufo, will be gracing the occasion as a special guest of honor, and the Vice Chancellor, Professor Ebenezer Oduo, also is going to be there with the alumni president, all going to be present. We want to say a very big thank you to all of you for making this a success. It's not been easy. It has always been hard work by the boys and the guys doing so much well. So we want to say a very big thank you to everybody who made this dream a success. University of Ghana is great when all the halls participate massively. Massive engagement. V-Mate, thank you so much. My very own brother, Festival. Oba from day one, supporting the boys. Continuing engaging them, training them as well. So University of Ghana sports is one of the best commodities or tools that is used for unity, building not only your health, but also fostering togetherness in the university campus. And I know that old Vandals out there will also come back and support them. Support the sports directorate. If they are doing so well, acknowledge them. If things are not going well and you think you can also bring some suggestions, those are always open. Go there and engage them. Want to use this platform also to acknowledge the director of sports that anytime we call upon him, anytime we knock on his door, he's ready and willing. That is a sign of a good leader, and we want to say, yes, it is good. We are not only winning this because Vandals has won and we acknowledge it. No, if the good things are being done, we'll talk about it. The Eugene basketball team went out there, they did so well under your auspices. Yes, we spoke about it, we acknowledge. The the debating team also went out there, did so well. We acknowledge everybody in the Vandal fraternity has been informed accordingly, even the alumni body. Also, you did so well by sending some of the team to train in South Africa, also in Egypt and all that. Those are fantastic initiatives to ensure that sports in the University of Ghana is done so well, and we take our flag high and post it and believe in that too. You know, we know that sports under your auspices is also. But if things are not going so well and we are observing, a leader, you cannot do everything 100%. We make mistakes. There are so many challenges that are bound to happen, but we say that together we can ensure that we can solve it. There's nothing under the sun that cannot be solved until you die. If you die, you are off. You cannot solve it. Yes. So thank you so much. And we say a very big thank you to everybody. This is Over News, bringing to you by my very own Vandal #1 Festival. Deputy Greater Account's Secretary of the Old Vandal Association. Vandal Lukucha for you. My name is Hansen Emmanuel. As always, your man. Big ups.
You can count on him for all your programs. #1 MC in the
That is my man. Thank you so much. Also, let me be quick also to acknowledge Coach Nee. Coach Nee, thank you so much. God bless you. I mean, it's great working with you. I mean, when the issue came up and all that, we had a very good discourse. Rahman, thank you. Coach Alaji and all the team at the Sports Directorate. We can build UG Sports. Yes. We can make it happen.
It's never late.
It's never late. We can make it happen. In fact, we are enjoying a wonderful session now. We are going to have a wonderful lunch with the guys and also invite some of the old Vandals who couldn't come here. So if you're watching this on this video, remember that sports is one of the best tools for peace and unity. Sports is for good health. Sports for employment. Sports can get you to everywhere. The industry is choked now. Sports can get you that next employment. You can be a journalist, you can be a sports presenter, you can be a footballer, you can be a physio, you can be a sports administrator. Everything. You can even be a sports, psychologist and everything. Sports, we should begin to discuss the benefits of sports, not only the physical aspects, but so much opportunity in the sports industry. And we believe that with the right management, the right counseling, the right training, we can smile about it. And Ghana is going to be the powerhouse of sports in the world, because we have the talent here.
Yes.
And well managed, we can get there. And we know that the Sports Directorate is going to watch this video now, and they are going to do something about it and continue to advocate for betterment of sports. And also to the Ministry of Sports, University of Ghana needs that massive support, and with all the other universities as well. In fact, BUSA is coming up, and we want to ensure that using this platform to appeal to you to also support the sports in Ghana. We know that you are doing a lot of work, but we know that it should be intensified. That is the one thing I want to say to all the authorities around. Let's support UG sports. Let's support sports in Ghana in general. And upcoming GFA also, we wish all the aspirants all the best. We know that when sports can do a lot for us, Ghana loves sports, especially football. We are so much passionate about it. If it is done well, yes, we're all going to smile. If it's not done well, yes, we're going to constructively criticize, so that we can be smile and happy about sports in Ghana. This is a very foundation Commonwealth where great things happen. Leaders, all the tellers everywhere. We are everywhere. Doctors, lawyers,
in every office you can find us.
Teachers, everything you can find us. And we are ready to support every great initiative. If things are not working, yes, we criticize constructively. May God bless you. May God bless you. Let me give you Vandals are bound by Vandals Kotipana Miji Kotia Epia Wote Tisebo Tacheba Unu Empty Yameto Chebiniza Tireche Freeze Koti Brony SCP Wamayetu Wate Bineza Uba Kusabo Yenche Tokro Biche Bineza Eye Bakus do maraka, wama yantu wate.